let's try subtracting unlike fractions. So that's fractions with different denominators, different bottom numbers. So we've got 5/6 and 1/3. So we have to find a common multiple between 6 and 3, our two denominators, in order to put this over the same number, in order to make a common denominator. So let's see, 5/6 and 1/3. What's something that appears on both of the multiplication tables of 6 and 3? 6. So I don't need to worry about the 6 because that's already a 6, but I have to do 3 times 2 in order to get 6. So 1 times 2. I can use multiplication or I can use division in order to get my common denominator. So 3 times 2. So this is now going to be 5/6, because this one doesn't change, it's already over 6, minus 1 times 2 is 2, over 3 times 2 is 6. So this is now super easy. 5/6 minus 2/6. Now let's see what this looks like. So my 1/3, what I did was I made every third, I got 2 sections out of it. I wanted to split it into 2. So there we go. Now I've got 5/6 minus 2/6, right? Okay, now this is pretty easy because 5 minus 2 is 3. And then the 6 doesn't change, so my answer is 3/6. Now let's see if I can simplify that. These are both divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And that's your answer. It's a half. Now let's see if that makes sense. So I want to take these two away, right? It's this minus this. So I got to take away 2 sections. Now am I left with half a bar? Yeah, that's 1/2. This would be the other half that's gone, or empty. This is 1